I'm a fan of edible Christmas cards, and each year I make mini Christmas fruit mince pies. Now, the ingredient amounts really depend on how many you'd like to make, and I made 85 of these little mini pies this year. The ingredients really amounts depend on how many of these little minis you'd like to make. There are many variations to the recipe. You can add or subtract fruits and things that you like. You can also leave out the nuts if you're worried about people having an allergy. You can leave out the alcohol or you can double the amount. That's the nice thing about a recipe like this. You can really make it suit your own taste. I do hope that you try them sometime, and maybe you'd like to share them around in your neighbourhood too next Christmas. So much more fun having an edible Christmas card moment. Wishing you all the very best this festive season, and I hope to see you back in my kitchen again in 2022. So have a merry time. Bye for now.